I'm sorry that it's really echoey in here. I'll talk quieter so that you can hear me. So we had a lot of water damage, so Chris scraped the whole ceiling, and then we've applied a product called Isovide, which is parging, from what I understand. You mix the product until it's like a really thick, like cake batter, and then you spread it on all of the areas where you've had a lot of water damage, and it seals the area along with filling any of the holes and the gaps that you might have with the concrete coming down. So I'm just gonna turn the camera around and show you. So this is our bathroom, as you can see. It's actually not in terrible shape, but you can see where we had a lot of the water damage, and that is where he has parged and sanded, and now we are ready to prime and paint. But before we can do that, if you look along the crown molding, which is just basically concrete that they've made into a crown molding, I really like it, and I think that if I take a little bit of time to scrub it with some soapy water, I think I can get rid of a lot of that salt accumulation that looks almost white and speckly. So I'm gonna start over here. I'm gonna start in this corner. It's not too bad on this side because we don't have too much humidity right now because we have a dehumidifier now. But the areas that were really bad were along here and along that wall, right where the shower is, and then along this side. So I'm gonna see if I can tackle that, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so just after my first swipe, or first scrub, I think that it's looking better. I'm gonna do this around the whole room, and let's see if it makes a difference after I do it and then after it dries. So this is kind of what it looked like, not so bad, but it kind of looked like white and distorted, and then this is after I've scrubbed it. So maybe it just needs a good scrub and I wouldn't have to repaint it. All right, let's keep going. Okay, so after we did that area, I mean, you can still see damage, but it's definitely not as predominant as it was before. Like, it looked like this, and now it looks like this. So I'm happy with it. I mean, I'm gonna keep going and see what we decide, but this is definitely like 100 times better than what it was, for sure.